morning, you guys. I am just getting ready for my day. If you guys don't know, I am studying for the LSAT right now. It's going interestingly. I've been studying for a couple months now and my test is actually next month. And so I need to be in grind mode because she's coming up. I put so much effort into studying. I feel like if I don't do well, that would all have been a waste. I need to pick up some medicine from a pharmacy. It's actually medicine that I got from my dermatologist, so hopefully I'm gonna have clear skin in 2023. I also have to go to the gym today, so I'm planning on first picking up the medicines, then going to Whole Foods to pick up some groceries that I really need to get, and then I'm gonna go to the gym and work out. I've been working out consistently for 3 years now. Like one day I told myself in the middle of COVID, I told myself I'm gonna go to the gym and stick with it and be consistent with it. And I went to the gym one day and I just never stopped. One of my goals for 2023 is to start getting dressed every single day. Since I'm currently at home and just graduated and studying for the LSAT, I don't like leave the house much. I'm mostly at home, so I just tend to stay in my pajamas the whole day, which is such a bad habit because I feel so unproductive when I'm just in my pajamas the whole day. So I'm really trying to get dressed every single day, and today I actually got dressed right as I woke up. I read the book Atomic Habits, and one of the steps is to just start small. And so I just threw on like these little comfy sweatpants and this tiny baby doll top from Brandy. My nails, don't even look at them. Don't even look at them. They look horrendous. They look horrendous. I haven't had a chance to do them. Like, I've started doing my own polygel nails at home by myself because I used to get my nails done so often and it was so expensive, so I just started doing it myself. And I just haven't had the chance to do them with all my studying and everything. I just like ripped the other ones off and I'm a mess. I'm a mess. I need to do a glow up video. Let me know if you guys want to see a glow up video because I need to get everything together. So I just finished doing my makeup and I straightened my hair a little bit. I just wanted my camera to charge a little so I didn't film all of it. Yeah, and my earrings are from Francesca's, I believe. But yeah, so that's the super casual fit for running errands and grocery shopping. Hi guys, I'm in the car and I'm about to go to Giant right now. I just wanted to show you guys my jacket. Isn't it so cute? Ella was having a 30% off sale. So I took the opportunity to get this jacket, and actually as soon as I got it, little story time, I put it in the closet next to a black jacket, which was my mistake because the black jacket transferred all of its dye onto my white aloe jacket. I literally bleached this jacket like 10 times and I put like 7 different stain removers on it and nothing would take it out. But then one day I just like kept scrubbing with a toothbrush for 3 hours and I finally got all the stains out of it. So I can wear it, which is so sad. Like, I can't believe that happened. Like, just my luck, right? But I'll see you guys after Giant, which is like our grocery store. If you don't know, I'm from Maryland and we have like this grocery store called Giant. When I lived in California, I didn't, like, there were no Giants, so I don't know if you guys know what Giant is, but yeah, just thought I would update you guys. Just finished picking up my prescription from the pharmacy and I also had to fill gas in my car, so I just filled gas. Now I'm at Whole Foods and I'm gonna get some groceries. I love grocery shopping, so let's go grocery shopping. Do a little bit of a Whole Foods haul. I got a couple things. So first I got this pasta because I want to make pasta tonight. And I got my 2 favorite milks. I already have an oat milk in the fridge, so I only got this like barista blend one, and then this one I like putting in my coffees as well. And then I got this kombucha. I got my 2 favorite Olippops, which are the classic grape and the vintage cola. I got coconut water. This is my favorite brand of coconut water, the Harmless Harvest. It's just like so sweet and nice. Then I got some Nut Pods creamers for my coffee, the French vanilla, sweet cream, oops, and the cookie butter. I haven't tried the cookie butter one. And then I just got my favorite chicken sausages, which are the Belinsky Cajun style andouille. These are so good. They don't have a casing, so they just taste so good in pastas. And then I got these Simple Mills almond flour farmhouse cheddar. These taste like Ritz crackers. Like, they're seriously so good, and the ingredients are so good for you. So that's why I love these. And then some chips, because I love chips, and this brand of chips is also my favorite. It literally tastes like Doritos. Let's do some ASMR chip crunching. Enough of that. I am gonna go study. Okay guys, I want to pick a workout outfit. I finished studying a little bit and now it's time to work out. Sorry, this drawer is literally such a mess. I really need to organize it. But I think I'm gonna go with these Alphalete leggings. And I'm gonna wear this light blue sports bra and just this shirt on top and probably some sweatpants so I'm not cold walking to the gym. This is the final look. I'm just wearing these Alphalete leggings that I showed you before, this Inaka Power Pump cover. All the gym girlies like tuck in their little shirts in the back like this, and I think it looks cute, but I don't know if it I can't tell if it looks weird, but like all the gym girlies do it, so you know what, I'm just gonna do it. I don't think I'm gonna vlog at the gym just because I'm not doing really anything interesting. I want to vlog one of my leg days or maybe like a push or pull day because those are much more fun. Yeah, I'm going to go to the gym right now. I'm back from the gym. As you can see, I'm wearing my little gym fit. Also, this jacket is like amazing. It's so comfortable and it fits so well. This is my first time wearing it. It's from Oak and Fort, and I just love the color of it and the fit. I am gonna spend the rest of the night making dinner and watching Law and Order, my favorite show ever. There's a new episode out, so I'm gonna go right now and watch it, and I will pick this vlog back up tomorrow morning. So I just got ready for the day. I'm just wearing some sweatpants and a shirt. The shirt is from Zara. The sweatpants are from Misguided, and I'm just wearing TNA socks again, like I always wear. I'm just super casual today, and I think I'm gonna make breakfast. Okay guys, I'm gonna show you how I make my coffee. So I use the double espresso dolce pods. These are my favorite Nespresso pods. I like to put in milk first so the espresso doesn't burn when it's sitting in the cup. I use the oat milk from the brand Milk. I really like the ingredients that this has because it's just really good for you. It's minimal. It doesn't have any fillers or oils or anything. I also like these nut pods. I haven't actually tried this flavor. This is the almond and coconut creamer in cookie butter. Now I'm just gonna take a little bit of this nut pods. I put the ice in last because I don't want the espresso to be watered down. Oh, I like that. I like that nut pods. That's good. Hi guys, I'm doing my makeup right now and I'm trying a new product. This is the Xoxo concealer. I've never tried this before and I just got it. And I just put it under my eyes and it looks so good. I really like it actually. I didn't try the shade on at the store, so I wasn't sure if it was gonna match, but it actually is a pretty good match on me. I'm making a TikTok right now, so I'm not gonna film me getting ready, but I just wanted to show you my new product. And I also have a new mascara that I'm gonna try. The Kush Milk Mascara. This is a new product for me. This was hyped like a long time ago and I don't know if it's still hyped or not, but let's see if I like it. Whoa! Wait, you guys, do you see this side? I don't know if it's better than Lash Paradise, but by the way, I was studying for the past 3 hours, so it's like 4 hours later now, and I'm just now getting ready for the day, and it's 4 p.m. and the sun is about to literally set. But what can you do? I didn't want to do my makeup first because then I knew I wouldn't study. So I had to study first. It's leg day and we're gonna do a little leg day workout. Every time I do my makeup, I make such a big mess. Like, look at this. Also, I did my hair. Can you see? Let's go to the big mirror. Do you think it's cute? What do you guys think? But I just like did these little braids in the pigtails and I'm like living for it. It's kind of cute. I am gonna start getting ready for the gym. Let's pick out an outfit. I don't even know why I did my makeup right before the gym because now the sun's set and I can't even like do anything. I literally also work out at night at like 6 p.m. or 7 p.m. just because I like to get everything done and the gym is like a reward. I don't know, I just love the gym, so like I like spending a lot of time at the gym, so that's why the gym is like a reward. Like blue shorts, kind of cute, kind of cute. I mean, shorts are like iffy because it's freezing, but let's see what else. What are the other options? I feel like low-key shorts. Like, these are just so cute. I have to wear these. Okay, guys, actually I changed because just between you and me, these shorts make the booty literally look so juicy. Like, I'm so sorry, but the glutes are just... The glutes are giving with these shorts. Like, nothing can beat this. Okay, I'm gonna see you guys at the gym. Guys, I'm back from the gym. I had such a great workout. My camera is flashing and it's about to die, so I think that's my cue to end the vlog here. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video, and I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.